In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI and Claude AI together. To get started, open the Meta AI app and also open the Claude app or website on your device. It helps to have both tools ready at the same time so you can move between them smoothly without losing your place. If you're working on a phone, you may switch back and forth between apps. If you're on a computer, you can keep both open in separate tabs or windows for a faster workflow. Before you begin, it's important to understand one key detail. Meta AI and Claude AI do not currently have a direct built-in connection that lets them automatically share information with each other. That means the process is manual and you'll be copying and pasting content between the two platforms. Start by entering your prompt into Meta AI and generate the content you need. This could be an idea, a draft, a response, research notes, or any other text you want help developing. Once Meta AI gives you the result, review it briefly to make sure it includes the information you want to work with. Next, copy the generated text, response, or information from Meta AI. Be sure to copy everything you want Claude to analyze or improve so the next step goes smoothly. Now, open Claude AI and paste that content into a new chat. After pasting it in, add clear instructions explaining what you want Claude AI to do with the content. For example, you might want Claude to summarize it, improve the writing, rewrite it in a different tone, expand on the ideas, or organize it more clearly. The more specific your instruction is, the better the result will usually be. Send the message and wait for Claude AI to process your request. Once the response appears, read through it and check whether it matches what you wanted. If needed, you can continue refining the result with follow-up instructions. You can also do this process in reverse. If you prefer, generate content in Claude AI first, then copy that result and paste it into Meta AI for further assistance. This is useful when you want to take advantage of different strengths across both tools. For more advanced workflows, you can look into automation platforms or future integrations if they become available. But for now, the main method is simple manual transfer. Continue moving content between Meta AI and Claude AI as needed so you can benefit from what each platform does best.